Bangalore real estate, 2015 to 2025. Imagine it is 2015. You have money to invest in Bangalore real estate. You have two choices. Choice 1. A premium apartment in Indiranagar at 10,000 rupees per square foot. Prestigious address. Everyone wants to live there. Choice 2. A developing area in North Bangalore at just 4,000 rupees per square foot. No metro. Still being built. Feels risky. Most people chose Indiranagar, obviously. By 2025, the Indiranagar investor made 2 times their money. The North Bangalore investor made 3 times. The safe, prestigious choice underperformed the risky, cheap choice by 50%. Today, we find out exactly why and what it means for anyone investing in Bangalore real estate right now. We are going to look at 6 regions of Bangalore: North, South, East, West, Southeast, and Central. For each region, we have price data from 2015 and 2025. We calculate the growth multiple, and then, most importantly, we explain the reason behind each number. Because here is the thing most finance videos get wrong: they show you the data, they skip the why, and if you do not understand the why, you cannot spot the next opportunity. You are just looking at history with no ability to apply it. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which type of area to target and which type to avoid, regardless of which city you are investing in. Let us get into it. The 2 extremes. Let us start with the sharpest contrast in our data: Central Bangalore, Indiranagar, Koramangala. MG Road. 2015 price: 8,000 to 12,000 rupees per square foot. 2025 price: 18,000 to 28,000 rupees per square foot. Growth: approximately 2 to 2.3 times in 10 years. Now North Bangalore, Hebbal, Devanahalli, Yelahanka. 2015 price: 4,000 to 5,500 rupees per square foot. 2025 price: 10,500 to 14,500 rupees per square foot. Growth: approximately 2.5 to 3 times in 10 years. Same city, same decade. The cheaper area outperformed the expensive one by 30 to 50 percentage points. This is called the base effect, and it is the most important concept in this entire video. When your entry price is already high, your percentage upside is already capped. When your entry price is low, even moderate growth gives you exceptional returns. Entry price is everything. Or full regional breakdown. Now let us look at all 6 regions together. North Bangalore, from 4,000 to 12,500 rupees, 3 times growth, 12% CAGR, top performer. Southeast Bangalore, Sarjapur and Electronic City Belt, from 3,700 to 11,500 rupees, 2.5 times growth, 12% CAGR, joint top performer. East Bangalore, Whitefield and Marathahalli, from 4,750 to 12,500 rupees, 2.5 times growth, 11% CAGR, solid and consistent. South Bangalore, JP Nagar and Bannerghatta Road, from 5,750 to 14,000 rupees, 2.4 times growth, 10% CAGR, steady performer. Central Bangalore, Indiranagar and Koramangala, from 10,000 to 23,000 rupees, 2.3 times growth, 9% CAGR, prestigious but limited upside. West Bangalore, Rajajinagar and Tumkur Road, from 3,300 to just 6,900 rupees, 2 times growth, 8% CAGR, weakest performer. Now look at that ranking carefully. The most prestigious areas are at the bottom. The least glamorous areas are at the top. But here is the critical point. West Bangalore was also cheap in 2015, yet it underperformed everything. So cheap entry alone did not guarantee good returns. Something else separated the winners from the losers. The why behind each region. 3 things drive real estate appreciation in any city: employment, infrastructure, and demand spillover. North Bangalore got all 3 simultaneously. Kempegowda Airport expanded. Manyata Tech Park absorbed thousands of jobs. Metro Phase 2 confirmed connectivity. When all three converge in one corridor, prices do not just rise, they accelerate. Southeast Bangalore got demand spillover. As Whitefield and Electronic City became too expensive and too congested, the young IT workforce moved outward. Sarjapur Road was directly in that path. East Bangalore already had employment density. Whitefield has more IT offices per square kilometer than almost anywhere in India. Steady demand produced steady growth. South Bangalore benefited from strong residential demand and Electronic City spillover pushing northward. Central Bangalore's lower percentage growth is not failure. It is a mathematical consequence of a high base. The absolute gains are still massive, but expensive entry limited the percentage return. West Bangalore is the cautionary tale, dominated by industrial zones like Pina. No major IT employer arrived, no metro connectivity, no aspirational demand from the young workforce that drove every other region. Core insight. 10 years of Bangalore data gives us 3 rules that apply to every growing city in India. Rule 1. Entry price determines your return ceiling. Overpaying for prestige caps your upside before the investment even begins. The best addresses are often the worst investments. Rule 2. Employment and infrastructure are the only real drivers of sustained appreciation. Everything else is noise. Find where the jobs are going, find where the metro is being built. Buy before both arrive, not after. Rule 3. The biggest gains are made before the obvious signal. By the time the metro station opens and the IT park is fully operational, the gains are already priced in. The investors who won in Bangalore bought the thesis before it became consensus. The investors who won between 2015 and 2025 were not the smartest people in the room. They were the most patient. They bought early in the right corridor and held while everyone else chased prestige. That is the entire playbook. Takeaway. So here is what 10 years of Bangalore real estate data actually teaches us. Do not buy the best address, buy the best thesis. Find areas where employment is growing, infrastructure is arriving, and prices have not yet caught up with the story. That gap between reality and price is exactly where returns are made. The next question is obvious. How does Bangalore real estate compare to gold and Nifty 50 over this same period? Because if stocks gave you 12% CAGR with full liquidity, was locking money in property even worth it? That is the next video. Outro subscribe so you do not miss it, and one favor. If you own property in any of these Bangalore regions, drop the area name in the comments. I want to know what actual ground level prices look like from people living there. That data will make the next video even sharper. See you there.